Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amar Fatirjan Rizky from class B, NIM 202432076. Now let us move on the core part of this presentation, which is the source code of the interactive website. As you can see on my screen, I have developed this application using a single page application paradigm. This means all the HTML structure, CSS styles, and JavaScript behaviors are encapsulated within one single HTML file. This approach is highly efficient for lightweight educational platform because it reduces server requests and provides a seamless user experience without reloading the browser. Let's break down the structure starting from the very top. Next, number 2, HTML structure text. Let's look at the semantic HTML5 layout inside the body tag. First, we have the header element. Inside it, there is a navigation container holding our brand logo, Edu Graphics, and the nav element. The navigation menu is constructed using in under list with 4 list items. Each item contains an anchor tag representing our required link: home, PNG page, JPG page, and SVG page. Notice that I integrate an on-click attribute to every link, which call a JavaScript function named switchback. This is how we pass the page identity to our script. Moving down, we have the main tag. This acts as the dynamic viewport inside main. I create for distinct section text, each assign a unique ID, such as home page, PNG page, JPG page, and SVG page. By default, only the home page has the active section class, while the other are hidden. Inside each specific format page, the content is organized inside a format card container. It separates the card header for the title and the card body for the educational photograph, the interactive button, and the image preview box. Finally, at the bottom, we can see the required global footer tag displaying my official watermark identifier. Next, number 3, CSS styling and theme implementation. Now, let's analyze the styling architecture written in CSS3 to comply with the strict assignment criteria. Because my student ID number and with an even digit 6, the website design must be dominated by green. To handle this professionally, I utilize CSS custom properties or variable. Inside the root selector, I define primary color as a deep forest green, which I apply to the navbar and footer to project a solid and trustworthy brand image. Is a medium green used for card header, and is a vibrant light green dedicated to hover stats and active buttons. For the layout, I apply a global CSS preset using the universal selector to clear default margin and padding while setting. To achieve a perfectly positioned layout, the body use display flex and flex direction column combined with a minimum height of 100. This layout technique ensures that the footer will always stick perfectly to the bottom of the screen, even if the content page is relatively short. Furthermore, I add smooth transition using cubic bezier curve for the button and users animation, so that when a user switch page, the content fades in and slides up elegantly. Next, JavaScript logical mechanics. Let's dissect the core interaction engineer via vanilla JavaScript. The logic is divided into three functional parts. First, let's look the switch page function. When a navigation is clicked, the function receives the target page string. It's use query selector all to together all page selection element and look through them to remove the active section class, hiding the instantly. Then it perform a similar routine to remove the active state from all navbar links. After clearing the all states, it targets the specific selection using template literals to append the active section class, causing the new page to animate onto the screen. At the end of this function, it called to ensure everything cleans up nicely when switch menus. Next, conclusion. To conclude my presentation, let's us observe the execution to in the browser. When I click halaman PNG, the transition is smooth. Clicking tampilan gambar triggers the JavaScript DOM manipulation, expanding the container nicely to reveal the graphic asset, and the button change state perfectly. When I click it again, it hides seamlessly. The exact same robust logic applies to the JPG and CSVG page. Notice that the footer watermark displaying my name and name stays consistently visible across all sections. Everything operates perfectly according to the criteria. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.